Welcome to Campo Kino. Kunyari ka sa syudad sang Sipalay, madamo sang mga malagawan nga mga resorts. Kag isa na diri ang ato naging bisita, ang Campo Kino, diri sa Barangay 4, sa kundi inahamtang ang ini nga resort. Pero kabalo bala ka mo nga Campo Kino.
Welcome to Campo Kino, diri lang sa biyaheng K5. Campo Kino. It used to be Campo sang una, and then their captain name is Kino. That's why the name Campo Kino.
Tungod malapad, kag madamo sang rooms and cottages. Dire, sarang mo ma-enjoy ang lugar with family and friends. Kag ideal for corporate team building.
We have small cottages that is used by our dators. Affordable lang din na siya, that is 500 pesos only. And we have also some accommodations for overnight. Affordable price man lang na siya, sir. We have some small rooms, aircon and non-aircon, and we have also for group. We have family beach house, good for 15 packs, that is 4,500, and we have good for 20 packs, that is 5,500. Aircon rooms for family, that is good for 8 packs, so that is house type. They have 2 aircon rooms with mini kitchen, that is good for 8 packs, 7,500.
Siyempre, ma-enjoy mo man ang baybayon sa available nila nga mga water sports facilities.
By the way, we have some water activities like kayaking, that is 400 per hour. We have also banana boat and island hopping.
Kag kung gusto mo ang adventure, pwede mo man masaka ang bukid diri nga may 375 steps pasaka. Kag diri, mayara man sang cottage kag makita sa 360 view ang lugar.
For day tour, we have entrance fee, 50 pesos for adult, 40 for the senior, and 25 pesos for the kids, that is 6 to 10 years old, and 5 years old below, that is free. We have also restaurant. We offer some snacks and meals also. We have common grilling area for the day tour and for the rooms nga pwede nila may use for grilling.
Gani, sa pagbisita mo diri sa Sipalay, hindi pagkalimtan ang pagbisita diri sa Campo Kino.
Everyone sa gusto gid magbakasyon kagapangita sa mga affordable prices nga rooms and day tour. So come and visit Campo Kino Beach Resort that is located at Barangay 4, Sipalay City. So we have also more activities that you can enjoy.
Biyaheng K5.
Biyaheng K5.
Biyaheng K5.
Biyaheng K5.